What's up, everybody? It's Nacho Dad. It's Saturday. It's a little early. By early, I mean 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And I bought a new truck last week. We're going to work on it a little. It's a 2001 Chevy 2500Hd, crew cab, two-wheel drive. It's got the 6-liter LS V8 in it, 4L80E. Both of those have just been replaced this last winter before I bought it. And as you can see, I'm working on putting a flatbed on it. When I bought it, it had a service bed. And part of the deal was the guy wanted to put the service bed on his new truck. So I helped him with that. Took some off the price of this thing. That's the framework. These are all air conditioner pallet skids. They're not quite a 4x4, they're a 3x4. But I got them turned up 4-inch side up. They're all carriage bolts. And some of them where you can't get a bolt on, the others where I couldn't do a carriage bolt, I've got regular bolts through them. And then these are actually welded on to the frame and then bolted through, and I got to cut the tops off those. But that's the basic layout. I'm going to do rough cut 2x12 oak on it. A little walk around on the truck, see if it's unlocked. It's locked. It's a little ugly. Got my Impala SS out here. I love that car. But the truck's a little ugly. He hit a deer on it. Busted out the grill and stuff. I haven't cleaned it out yet, so it's still pretty filthy, but work truck. Crank windows, no power locks, vinyl seats, rubber floor. Headliners coming down. But for 500 bucks and 3 hours of work, I drove it home. It's got some issues to it, and we're gonna work on those today. I'm doing brakes on it today because they're bad, to say the least. So there's gonna be a video on the brakes coming out on this thing, watch it, and then there'll be a video on doing the flatbed and finishing it off and how it looks. So just a quick little run around of my new truck. Y'all enjoy.